A few days ago, I made a video about how you can start your own lo-fi channel. You guys showed a lot of love for that video. Many of you asked for another video on how to do a 24/7 live stream on a lo-fi channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method for live streaming a lo-fi channel. Not only that, but I'll also introduce another tool for creating lo-fi beats. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, let's create some lo-fi beats with an AI tool. Today, I will use AIVA. AIVA is a one-click music generator AI tool. With this tool, you can create not only lo-fi beats but also any kind of music. To start creating music, click on Create a Free Account form here. Now create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account, you will be on this page. There are some tools in the left panel. If you are an expert in audio mixing or music knowledge, you can create or edit music with them. As I have zero knowledge of music, I will generate in auto mode. Click on Create a Track from here. You will find three options here, from a style, chord progression, and influence. As I have no knowledge of music, I will select Form a Style. Now you will find a vast number of music styles here. Almost every style of music is available here. If we're not able to find your preferred style, you can search for it. Let's search for lo-fi. And you can see different versions of lo-fi music. Now select your preferred style from here. I will go with calm lo-fi. Click on the Create button from here. Now you have to select the key signature, duration, and the number of tracks. In the key signature you will find all of the music key signatures. I will select Auto. After that, select the duration, and let's keep it Auto. In the last number of tracks, I will select the highest number. After all is set, hit the Create Track button. And you can see AIVA generate 5 lo-fi tracks for us. Now listen to all of the tracks. If you are not satisfied with the track, you can create more tracks. Click on Create Track from here and then select from a style. Now select the key signature, duration, and number. And your lo-fi tracks are ready. Now download the tracks you want to use. Alright, our lo-fi music is ready. Now we will make a video. Before that, we have to create an image like that. You can use any AI image generator. I will use Leonardo AI. After coming to Leonardo AI, select Animate Pastel Dream as the featured model. Click on the Generate with this model. Now enter the prompt. I will enter a cute girl reading a book, lying on her bed near a window. The whole city is visible from the window. She wears a headphone. A cat is walking. Sunset time. Warm color. Dream. Anime. Fantasy. Lo-fi. 4K. High quality. After entering the prompt, make sure your image aspect ratio is 16:9. After all is set, hit the Generate button. And here is our result. That's really impressive. Now download the best image. Before downloading, don't forget to upscale the image. After upscaling the image, download it on your device. Now with this image, I will create a video. And to do this I will use MoonValley AI. It's an AI video generator and works on only Discord server. Open your browser and go to moonvalley.ai. After coming to this page, click on Join Beta. I already made a video on the MoonValley AI video generator. If you are new to MoonValley AI, I suggest watching the video. I will put the link in the description box. You can watch the video from the I button also. Okay, after coming to the MoonValley AI Discord server, we have to join the new Moon channel. After joining a channel, come to the text box and enter /create. Now enter a text prompt. I will use the same Leonardo AI prompt. After that, select a video style. I will select fantasy. Then duration, I will set long. After that, select image from here. I will upload the image generated from Leonardo AI. You can use some other extra options like camera motion, negative prompt, seed, and others. This time I will skip it. Just hit the Enter button. It will take some time to generate the video. I will fast forward this part. Okay, this is our video. To download the video, click on the download button from here. You can create multiple versions of the video. Alright, our music and video clips are ready. Now we will assemble them with a video editor application. You can use anyone. This time I will use CapCut. After coming to the CapCut, import all of the music and then insert the audio on the timeline. After that, insert the video. Now we have to adjust the length of the video with audio. Just copy the video and then paste it on the timeline until the end of the audio clips. After that, select the second clip from the timeline and then click on the reverse button from here. Do this one after one. Okay, now I will add some effects to make it more effective. Come to the Effect tab from here. Now try some of them and then select the best one. You can customize the atmosphere and speed of the effect too. I will minimize them to bring a calm look. Adjust the effect size according to the video length. After all is set, export the video. It will take some time to export the video. And here it is. Our video is ready. Alright, now let's move forward to the live streaming part. First, we need a live streaming app. There are so many apps available on the internet. I will use OBS Studio. It's open source and easy to use. You can use it on Windows, Mac, or even in Linux OS. Download and install OBS Studio on your system. I have already installed it. So, I will skip this time. After installing OBS Studio, launch it on your system. This is what OBS Studio looks like. First, we have to create a source file. Come to the Source tab here and then click on the plus icon from here. Now select Media Source from here. Give a name to your source and then click on OK. Now we have to insert our LoFi video here. Simply click on the Browse button here and then select the LoFi video. After selecting the video, don't forget to turn on the loop button from here. It will play the video in a loop until you change the video or end the live. You will find some advanced options also. But I will suggest to skip this at this time. Just click on the OK button. And you can see our LoFi video is now playing in the preview panel. Okay, now to go to the next step, click on the Setting button from here. Come to the Video tab to see the video input and output quality. Then see the audio configuration. I won't change anything. After that, the Output tab. Here you can customize the Steam video and audio bitrate, encoder, and others. Now the most important part. Come to the Stream option. Select YouTube RTMPS from here. Then select Use Stream Key. Now we need our channel Steam key to start the streaming. Okay, come to the YouTube Studio. Now click on the Create button from here and then select Go Live. Now you will find two options, Right Now and Later Date. As we want to start the streaming right now, I will select Right Now. On the next page, we have to select the type of streaming. Select Streaming Software from here. As we are not going live for kids, select No, it's not made for kids. Now edit the title of your live stream, then add a description. You can add a thumbnail and some tags too. After all is set, hit the Save button. Now copy the default stream key from here. Okay, we have got our stream key. Now go back to OBS Studio and then paste the key on the stream key box and click on the OK button. Now we are ready to go live. You have to just click on Start Streaming from here. And our streaming has been started. Let's come back to YouTube Studio. You can see our live has started. Now if you go to the channel dashboard, you will notice the live video. Let's play the video. That's perfect. In this way, you can create live streaming lo-fi music on your YouTube channel. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of lo-fi live streaming. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!